Hi guys! So today we're gonna make a super easy salmon recipe. We're gonna make individual foil packets filled with salmon fillet, asparagus, and bake it in a rich garlic butter sauce. My husband and kids love this one, and it's now my new go-to when I don't really feel like cooking. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 salmon fillets cut into 4 pieces, juice of 1 to 2 lemons, 4 garlic cloves minced, 8 tablespoons of butter, and 1 bunch of asparagus. Begin by laying 4 sheets of foil onto the table. This recipe makes 4 salmon packets. Lay salmon on the center of the foil, skin side up. Trim the ends of the asparagus and place it next to the salmon. Season salmon and asparagus well with salt and pepper. Flip salmon over and season the other side. Next, squeeze lemon juice over the top. I use the juice of 1 lemon. Sprinkle the minced garlic over the salmon. Lastly, top the salmon and asparagus with 1 tablespoon of butter each. The butter, along with the lemon juice, is going to create such a delicious sauce. Time to seal the packets. Seal the center first and then roll up the sides. Be careful not to seal it too tight, leaving some space inside the packets. Here's a little close-up on how I sealed it. These foil packets are so fun to make, and everybody's happy because they get their own. For fun, I like to write everyone's name on their packets. It makes them feel special. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and bake for about 11 to 12 minutes. The salmon should just be cooked through and the asparagus should still have a nice crisp. The best part of this is no messy cleanup, just throw the foil away when you're done. I like to serve it with a little bit of fresh dill and some lemon slices. You can also serve it with some steamed rice for a more complete meal. I think this is a true definition of easy cooking, yet it's so delicious. So all you busy moms or dads out there, this recipe is for you. You got tender flaky salmon infused with garlic and that lemon butter sauce. So good.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes and make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.